Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix iPhone flashlight not working issue on your iPhone after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings, scroll it below, and here's the option of journal, and scroll it below and here's the option of shutdown. So guys, simply shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply drag down your control center and tap on flashlight and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you check if the flashlight is working or not. If the flashlight is working, then you have to just simply open settings, then here is the option of screen time. So guys, simply tap on it and scroll it below, and here is the option of content and privacy restriction. So guys, here is the option of allowed apps. So guys, simply tap on it and check all the toggle will be turned on. If someone is turned off, then simply turn it on and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings again, and from here guys, scroll to below and here is option of journal, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, and from here guys, simply tap on reset, tap here reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your all setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.